Today, we will talk about how to start a convenience store. Let's have a look at the details. Starting a convenience store, just like starting any other business, takes money, planning, and time. Convenience stores are in demand all over the world, making them a good business to get into. With the right location, items in stock, and pricing structure, you can start turning a profit quickly after opening your convenience store. Keep watching to learn how to start a convenience store of your own. The first step is planning your store. Decide whether you want to start your store from the ground up or buy into a franchise. A lot of money will be required in either case, but franchising may be easier in terms of marketing, advertising, and other setup tasks. You will likely have to pay a franchising fee out of your profit, but this may be considerably easier than doing everything on your own. Develop your business and marketing plans, regardless of whether you are opening your own convenience store or a franchise. Though it may be slightly different for a franchise in that you don't need your own marketing ideas and you have business practices outlined for you, these documents will typically help you secure funding if you need to take out a loan. If you don't have them at all, you may run into difficulty securing the required capital. Determine a budget for startup costs. This will largely depend on the cost of real estate in your area and what services and items you plan to offer. The startup costs for a convenience store can range from as low as $10,000 to well over $1 million, so do your research and consider the costs of business in your area to determine your own budget. Secure the required funding. Chances are, you won't have enough funding just lying around to cover your startup costs. This means that you will have to take out a loan to start your business. Obtain the necessary licensing, permits, and insurance required to run your business. Make sure you are in compliance with all local, state, and federal guidelines. The insurance will protect you from theft as well as help provide workers' compensation if an employee is hurt on the job. The second step is getting your business started. Secure your location. Location is everything in convenience stores. As the name implies, they should be convenient to get to. Stores off the beaten path may have a stronger local customer base. Purchase any necessary equipment for your store. You will need a security system with cameras and alarms, a cash register, coolers for drinks, shelves, and a credit card processing machine. If you are using an established store, you may not have to purchase all of this equipment. Get your location inspected. Before you start doing business, you will need to have your storefront inspected by the State Department of Health and the local fire department. Establish relationships with suppliers. You'll need wholesalers to supply you with the goods you will sell, which include food and drink items, cigarettes, alcohol, paper, household goods, and fuel. Stock the store accordingly. Lay out your store shelves and stock them with items. Use a method that will make ordering and restocking easy. Place your higher-priced or easy-to-steal merchandise within view of the clerk and a security camera. Hire employees. You need trustworthy employees in this business as you could stand to lose both money and merchandise. Be thorough in your interview, check references, and consider background checks and drug testing. Open the store for business. Consider doing a grand opening with banners and special deals to attract customers. For example, you could offer free coffee to the first 100 customers. The most important thing is to get the word out and get customers in the door. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.